you can see, there are quite a few people here already, and it's just going to get busier and busier as not just the day goes by, but as the season goes by. What's interesting is that there are beaches for everyone, literally. Like, there are these beaches that are, you don't have to pay for anything. You can just come, you can bring your umbrella, your chair, and just kind of stay all day long as you want. And then there are the more organized beaches that you can go to, and you either rent a chaise or just an umbrella, and they have a lovely little cafe usually there, and you can buy stuff. And then of course there are the gorgeous beaches that are like staying at a luxury hotel for a few hours, and they just have everything catered, and it's like you're going on a vacation just a couple hours from your home, which is really fun as well. I'm going to go find how to get up to that little church over there. Hi! So pretty. I love going to different beaches all the time, because then you come up against little treasures that you didn't know were here. So let's see what this little winding path takes us up to. I think there's some sort of service going on, maybe a baptism or something. But let's go see what the view looks like. I think it will be a good one. There's the beach we were at. See, it's filled with people. People having fun. So grateful that it's summer. It's so sweet. I love the sound that beaches have. It's just laughter and joy. This is it, guys. This is Greece. So beautiful. Behind me is that little church that I mentioned. There is some sort of baptism going on. There are a bunch of people there, all dressed up in finery. So we can go take a look at that. But there's the beach. And this is the view. This never gets old. It's really funny. I remember when I was little, my Greek grandma, she used to count how many times she went to the beach every year, and like from the first swim to the very last. And then she would always compare it to the year before. And I remember, like, she would say, in 1965, I went swimming 205 times, stuff like that. It was just insane amounts, seriously, like over 200 times. She would go in the morning, and then she would go again in the evening. It's really sweet. It's one of those really sweet memories that I have of her. Let's wander down here. I hope my flip-flops don't break. If they do, it will be a prickly walk back to the beach. It's not too. Summer is the most minimalistic season. It reminds you that you really don't need that much in order to have a good life. I mean, think about it. What do you need in the summer? You need a swimsuit, a pair of flip-flops, a cover-up, an umbrella, or a hat. That's basically it. And yeah, you can just enjoy life. It really reminds me at least, that it's the little things that really matter, that make a difference. It's all those little things that you remember when you look back. I mean, when you think back to your childhood, what do you think about? A lot of my childhood memories involve summer. I remember when I was little, it was so cold in the morning. We would get up and sit outside in the garden drinking a cup of hot cocoa because it was so cold and we wanted to warm up, wearing really thick sweatshirts. And then by around 9:30 in the morning, it would heat up and we would go to the beach, and even our swimsuits were too heavy. Of course we wore them, not a nudist colony. But it was just those memories, those childhood memories that are so special. They don't involve a lot of things, you know? It's the simplest things. Just swimming, the water, having fun, feeling the earth. Musings inspired by the sea. Spying on people at the beach is such fun. Not really spying, but you know what I mean. You're so cute. Are you having a little bath? What are you doing? You have a little itch? Nature, guys. You can't beat it. And he's gone.